Welcome to Sharad V. More English School online lecture. Good morning, student. Today I will teach you the sets. This is the first lesson in Mathematics 1. Now you know that in ninth standard the mathematics are divided into the two parts. First is Mathematics 1. The Mathematics 1 include the algebra and Mathematics 2 include the geometry. Okay. Now see set. In our daily life we always talk about the collections. In our day to day life or in our daily life we talk about the group और collection of object. हमेशा हम क्या बातें करते हैं कि collection of object या group of object. Example, bouquet of flower. हम किसके बारे में बात करते हैं? bouquet of flowers, bunch of keys, flock of birds, pile of notebooks, pack of cards, herd of cows. So all these words or troops of soldiers. So all these things indicate the group or collections of the things. Okay. Now in bouquet of flowers, so there will be different types of the flowers. Bunch of keys. So here there will be different keys. Flock of birds means group of the birds. Pile of the notebooks. Pile means क्या है? एक के ऊपर एक करके रखने को क्या बोलते हैं? पाइल. ओके, थप्पी लगाना जो हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं कि थप्पी लगा है. जैसे एक नोट के बुक के ऊपर 3 नोटबुक रखा है तो 4 नोटबुक, तो क्या बोलेंगे उसको? पाइल ऑफ नोटबुक. सपोज वन बॉक्स, एक बॉक्स है. ऑन दैट बॉक्स सपोज 3 4 5 6 boxes आर kept, then it will be called as the pile of the box. And this is the collection of the numbers. ये क्या है? कलेक्शन ऑफ द नंबर्स. ये किसका कलेक्शन है? नेचुरल नंबर्स का. ओके. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट द सेट. तो all the collections are not set. Remember this. All the collections are not set. Only those collections which have the well defined objects called set. Otherwise, in maths, the all groups are not the set. So what is the set? Only well defined collection of object called set. सिर्फ क्या है? अंडरस्टूड. वेल डिफाइंड कलेक्शन को ही हम क्या बोलते हैं? सेट. ओके. नाउ सी, we use a special word for each of the collection given above. In all the above examples we can clearly list the object of that collection. We call the collection of such object as set. Now observe the collection: happy children in village, brilliant students in the class. In both the example, word happy and brilliant are relative terms. So happy and brilliant are the relative terms, means it is the comparative terms, means here there is a no standard available to measure the happiness or to measure the is brilliantness. Only it is comparative terms. For example, in suppose standard 8. Now in standard 8, suppose the highest percentage is 80, highest percentage is 80, and other student got less than 80 marks. So the student who got the 80% will be considered as brilliant in that standard. But in suppose next standard, if the highest percentage is 90, then in that class the student which get the 90% or score the 90% marks will be considered as brilliant. Now suppose third third class, okay, third standard class, okay, in that suppose the highest percentage is 50. Okay, so here the student who got the 50% mark will be considered as the brilliant one. So here the brilliantness is varying. It is not, it is varying to standards, and it depends on the cleverness of the other student present in that class. So this is the comparative terms. That's why these comparative terms are not included in the set. Similarly, happiness, this is also comparative terms. So that's why it is not included in the set. So these collections are not set. Now say the examples given below and decide whether it is set or not. Here examples are given, you have to decide that it is set or not set. Now say the see the first question, days of a week, days of the week. If it is set, tell me the days of the week. So everyone will give the answers as Monday, Sunday. Okay, here order doesn't matter. यहाँ पे ऑर्डर कि पहले क्या बोलना है डजेंट मैटर, only the one element should not be repeated, it is important. Okay, let's start from the Monday. So when it is asked to student, yes, tell me the names of the days of the week, so everyone will say that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, इसके अलावा भी कोई कुछ बोलेगा नहीं, सबके सब स्टूडेंट क्या बोलेंगे, सेम आंसर विल कम इन दिस कलेक्शन. डेज ऑफ वीक में क्या होगा, ये 7 डेज का ही कलेक्शन आएगा. नाउ सेकेंड, मंथ इन अ ईयर. ओके, सपोज मंथ इन ईयर इन इंग्लिश कैलेंडर, तो ऑल स्टूडेंट विल राइट द सेम नेम ऑफ द मंथ, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And if it said that yes, the month in a year of Hindi calendar, so then all students will write Chaitra, Vaisakh, Jyeshtha, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadrapad. Okay, so answers will be same. Okay, वो कोई भी स्टेट का हो, चाहे वो गुजरात स्टेट का हो, मध्य प्रदेश का हो, मीन्स एमपी का, महाराष्ट्र. इफ इट इज सेड दैट यस राइट द मंथ इन ईयर ऑफ इंग्लिश कैलेंडर, तो ऑल विल राइट द जैन, फेब, मार्च, अप्रैल. तो हियर आंसर विल बी सेम. यहाँ पे सभी के आंसर क्या होंगे, सेम होंगे. एंड सेम फॉर द फर्स्ट वन, अगर डेज ऑफ द वीक बोला गया, डेज ऑफ वीक, ओके, तो ऑल विल राइट द मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, irrespective of the state to which that student belong. कौन से स्टेट से बिलोंग करता डजेंट मैटर, बट हियर आंसर विल बी सेम फॉर ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट. नाउ थर्ड वन, ब्रेव चिल्ड्रेन इन द क्लास. नाउ दिस विल वेरी क्लास टू क्लास. ओके, अब यहाँ पे क्या है, किसी क्लास में कि दूसरा बच्चा होगा ब्रेव, तो दूसरी क्लास में दूसरा होगा, बिकॉज ब्रेवनेस इज द कंपेरेटिव टर्म और रिलेटिव टर्म. तो दिस विल नॉट बी सेट, ये थर्ड वाला सेट नहीं होगा. अगर मैंने लिख बोला कि यस ऑल ऑफ यू राइट डाउन द ब्रेव चिल्ड्रेन इन योर क्लास, तो नाउ 8th standard student will write the name of different student, 9th standard will write the name of the different student, 10th standard will write the name of the different student. And when you compare your answer with your friend in the same class also, then some will written the different name, some will written different name, others will write the different name. Okay, so this is not said. But if it is said to days of week or month in a year, so 9th standard will be write same, 8th standard student will also write the same. Understood? So first and second is said. Now fourth one, first 10 counting numbers. Now counting numbers are called as the natural number, and natural number start from 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and so on. Okay, all these are the counting numbers. So here if you set to write the counting number to 8th standard student, 9th standard student, 10th standard student, so all will write the same answer 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here these collections have the well defined members, well defined members उसके अंदर प्रेजेंट रहेंगे. नाउ फिफ्थ वन, स्ट्रॉन्ग फोर्ट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. स्ट्रॉन्ग फोर्ट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. अब महाराष्ट्र के स्ट्रॉन्ग फोर्ट्स. ओके, तो दिस इज ऑल्सो relative terms, this will not be said. Planet in our solar system, now we know that the planet in our solar system are fixed. If it is said that write the names of the planet in our solar system, so the student of India, student of China, student of America, all will write the same answer here. So here the members of this set will be same. Okay, this will not vary, ये change नहीं होगा. Here all will write the names of the planet. Okay, पूरे प्लैनेट के नेम्स यहाँ पे मेंशन करेंगे. टोटल 8 प्लैनेट जो है उनके नेम्स यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, मेंशन करेंगे. मर्क्यूरी, वेनस, अर्थ, ओके, जुपिटर, सैटर्न, यूरेनस, नेपट्यून, all will be included here. Understood? Now let's see the sets. Understood? Which collection will be set and which will not be set. If we can definitely and clearly decide the object of given collection, then that collection is called set. अगर definitely, okay, जो क्या हो, definitely पता हो, fix पता हो, and clearly, और क्या हो, clearly पता हो, हमको कोई confusion नहीं हो. डिसाइड द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ कलेक्शन, उस कलेक्शन के ऑब्जेक्ट को डिसाइड करने में हमको कोई डाउट नहीं हो, एकदम क्लियर हो और डेफिनेट हो, तो दैट कलेक्शन इज कॉल्ड द सेट. ओके, इन अदर वर्ड व्हाट वी से दैट वेल डिफाइंड कलेक्शन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट कॉल्ड सेट. Generally the name of the set is written using the capital letter A B C. Okay, A B C D E F to Z. So here we can use any letter to denote the set, and to denote the set capital letters are used. The members or element of the set are shown by using a small letter A B C, and the elements which are present in that set are represented by the small letters A, B and C. If A is an element of set A is an element of set A, then we write it as A element of set A as written here. And if A is not an element of set A, then we write A not set of A like this. Okay, so here this sign is epsilon, इसको हम epsilon बोलते हैं. और यहाँ पे अगर वो सेट नहीं है, then we have to cancel out the epsilon. Okay, now see the example. Now let us observe the set of numbers. Okay, now see natural numbers denoted by n, and it is also called as the counting number, and it starts from 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and so on is a set of natural number. Okay, now see, while writing the set we have to write down the members inside the curly bracket, and we have to separate each member by the comma. Okay, here natural numbers are written. First natural number is 1, next one is 2. So these are the element of the natural numbers, or 1 belongs to the natural number, 2 belongs to the natural number, 3 belongs to natural number. So these numbers are separated by comma while writing in the form of the set. Now next, set of the whole numbers. Whole numbers start from 0. So all the element will be written in curly bracket. Now symbol for the whole number taken is W. तो W is equals to curly bracket. Okay, here member will be mentioned in the curly bracket. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Now next, integer. The symbol for integer numbers is I. क्या है? I. And integer numbers include the 0, positive number as well as negative numbers. So now, yes, all these numbers will be written in the curly bracket, using the curly bracket. Okay, so curly bracket -3, -4, -5, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, comma 3, 4 and so on. And Q is set of the rational number. So rational number denoted by using the capital letter Q, and set of the real number denoted by using the capital number R. Remember this number systems, because in set we need the knowledge of the natural number, whole number, integer number, even number, odd number, composite number, prime number, cubes, squares, क्यूब रूट, स्क्वायर रूट एक्सेट्रा. ये पूरा नॉलेज हमको सेट के प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के टाइम नीडेड है. ओके, नाउ मेथड ऑफ राइटिंग द सेट. मेथड ऑफ राइटिंग द सेट, टू हाउ टू represent the set. So there are the two method. First method is the listing method and it is also called as the roster method. पहला जो मेथड है वो क्या है? लिस्टिंग मेथड, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड रोस्टर मेथड. In the listing method or roster method, the names of the elements or the elements, name of the elements or object or number will be seen. Okay, वो क्या दिखा हमको, वो देख सकते हैं हम लोग. But in the second method, that is rule method or set builder form, is it is written using the some formula or by writing the one word for that group or collection. For example, days of the week. So here week indicates the group of 7 days. Okay, months of year. Year represent the collection of the 12 months. 12 month का. तो only it is mentioned that year of the English month, then it includes the Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, so here while writing in the rule method, all the months are not written. Only it is said that the months of the year. But in the listing method, we have to write down the names of each and every month. And while writing the days of week, we have to write down the names of the each and every days of that week. Okay, now yes, listing method. In this method we write all the elements of set in curly bracket. जो elements होते हैं set में, that we write in the curly bracket. Each of the element is written only once and separated by commas, and that element मस्ट बी रिटन ओनली वंस. एक ही बार उस एलिमेंट को मेंशन करना है. इफ टू इज रिटन ट्वाइस, तो वाइल राइटिंग द सेट वी हैव टू राइट दैट ओनली वंस. एक ही बार हम लिख सकते. द ऑर्डर ऑफ एन एलिमेंट इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. विच एलिमेंट यू आर राइटिंग फर्स्ट एंड विच इज एट लास्ट, it does not matter, but number of element matters. But it is necessary to write all the element of the set. Necessary is that to write the all element. Okay, it is not necessary the order. Example, the set of odd number between 1 to 10 can be written as odd numbers between 1 to 10. Okay, so if between word is came, so here 1 is also odd number, 1 will not be included, and 10 is the even number. So here it is not matter that think about the 10 because it is already even number. So now the numbers between the odd number between 1 and 10, so now after the 1 3 comes, so 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9. So here it is written in proper order. After 1 3 comes, and after 3 5 comes, and after 5 7 comes, and after 7 9 comes. And in second one it is written 7357. Now see the 7 written at first position, and 3 written at second position, and at third position 5 is written, and at fourth position ninth is written. But elements are same in both the sets, and the number of elements are also same. So hence these two sets are equal set. ये दोनों equal sets हैं. Okay. तो ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कि ये प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में लिखो या क्या है उसको रैंडम लिखो, बट व्हाट इज नेसेसरी टू राइट डाउन ऑल द एलिमेंट, दिस इज मस्ट. इफ एन एलिमेंट कम्स मोर देन वंस, देन इट इज कस्टमरी टू राइट द एलिमेंट ओनली वंस. अगर कोई लेटर, कोई नंबर एक से ज़्यादा बार रिपीट हो रहा है, देन यू हैव टू राइट ओनली वंस, एक ही बार लिखना है. एंड रिमेंबर दिस, इन द वर्ड रिमेंबर द लेटर आर एम ई आर रिपीटेड मोर देन वंस. जो वर्ड रिमेंबर है, तो रिमेंबर में इस वर्ड में E is repeated 3 times. Okay, E. Now see, after R there is E, after M there is E, after B there is E. So here E is repeated 3 times, and M is repeated twice. Okay, and R is also repeated twice. While writing the letters of the word remember, we have to write down R. Okay, even though R repeated twice, we have to write only once while writing in set form. Now E repeated 3 times, but we have to write down only once. And M repeated 3 times, 2 times, but we have to write down only once, and B repeated once only here. So in set form, the letters of the word remember will be written as A is equals to R comma E comma M comma B. Now rule method or set builder form. In this method we do not write the list of element. So here we do not include the list of element, but write the general element. But we write the general element using variables followed by vertical line. First we write down the general element using the letter A to Z, small letter A to Z. एलिमेंट को डिनोट करने के लिए स्मॉल लेटर ए टू जेड हम यूज करते हैं. ओके, एंड फॉलोड बाय वर्टिकल लाइन. देन वी राइट डाउन द वर्टिकल लाइन. सी दिस वर्टिकल लाइन. ओके, यहाँ पे वर्टिकल लाइन मेंशन किया है. एंड देन वी डिस्क्राइब द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ दैट वेरिएबल. अब जो वेरिएबल हमने लिखा फॉर दैट एलिमेंट, तो वी डिस्क्राइब इट, मीन्स दैट बिलोंग्स टू विच. इफ इट इज नंबर, तो इट बिलोंग्स टू विच नंबर, वो किस नंबर से बिलोंग करता है. नेचुरल है, होल नंबर है, नेचुरल नंबर होल नंबर है, क्या है वो मेंशन करते हैं. और क्या देखते हैं हम लोग कि वो स्क्वायर का रिलेशन है, क्यूब का रिलेशन है, ट्वाइस हो रहा है, डबल हो रहा है, उसका रिलेशन है कि क्या रिलेशन है. वी राइट डाउन द प्रॉपर्टी आफ्टर द वर्टिकल लाइन. नाउ सी हाउ टू रीड द सेट. सेट को रीड कैसे करना है. नाउ सी दिस एग्जांपल ए. तो ए इज रिटन एज सेट ए. इट इज रेड एज, इसको रीड किया जाता है कैसे, सेट ए. एंड इक्वल, इक्वल को इज रीड करते हैं, तो सेट ए इज. नाउ करली ब्रैकेट आ गया, इसको हम रीड करेंगे सेट ऑफ ऑल. करली ब्रैकेट को क्या रीड करना है, सेट ऑफ ऑल. नाउ द वेरिएबल यूज इन दिस इज एक्स, तो सेट ऑफ ऑल एक्स, सेट ऑफ ऑल एक्स. यहाँ पे देखो, इसको क्या पढ़ना है, ए जो लिखा है सेट ए, और इक्वल को क्या पढ़ना है, इज. इक्वल को क्या रीड करना है, इज. अब ये जो करली ब्रैकेट है इसको क्या पढ़ना है, सेट ऑफ ऑल. ओके, एक्स. set of all x. now ये जो वर्टिकल लाइन है इसको क्या रीड करना, such that okay. now again that variable is described such of all x such that x is, now yes, after the x epsilon is used and capital N is written. So now capital N denotes the natural number and epsilon denotes the is that belongs to or member of. So here such that x belongs to natural number, you can say, or x is natural number. X belongs to natural number or x is member of the natural number. Okay, after that there is a comma. X border is decided, x is less than 1, x is less than 1. Now see the variable written in the middle of these two numbers. So x is greater than 1 because mouth is open towards the x. यहाँ पे जो माउथ है किस तरफ ओपन दिखाई दे रहा है, x की तरफ. तो x is greater than 1 and x is smaller than 10 because here the mouth is open towards the 10. It means 10 is greater and x is in middle, means the x is between 1 and 10. यहाँ पे इक्वल की साइन नहीं है. तो x की वैल्यू कहाँ से कहाँ तक है उसकी लिमिट्स. तो x is in between the 1 and 10. Okay, so how you will read this set A is set of all x such that x is element of the natural number and x is in between the 1 and 10, or you can say that x is greater than 1 and less than 10. So here the x will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. कहाँ तक होगा, it will start from 2 and end with 9. It's clear now how to read the set, कैसे रीडिंग करना है. Okay, now see the second example. How you will read this. Okay, now b will be read as set b, equal sign will be read as is. Okay, so set b is, after that curly bracket, such that x. Okay, so set b is set of all x such that x is a prime number between 1 and 10. Okay, prime number. What is prime number? So those number which have the only two factor, means that number divisible by only two numbers and that number are the number itself and 1. ऐसे नंबर जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्या होते हैं, दो नंबरों से डिवाइड होते हैं, एक 1 होता है और सेकंड वो नंबर खुद होती है. तो सच नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड द प्राइम नंबर, मीन्स दे हैव ओनली द टू फैक्टर्स. उनको डिवाइड करने वाले जो फैक्टर्स होते हैं वो दो फैक्टर्स होते हैं. ओके, नाउ यस बिटवीन 1 एंड 10. तो हियर वी विल रीड एज, कैसे रीड करेंगे, रिमेंबर दिस रीडिंग ऑफ द सेट बी इज set of all x such that x is a prime number between 1 and 10. Set b contain all prime number between 1 and 10. When you write in the listing method, so here because 1 is not a prime number and between word came, so 1 and 10 will not be included in the list. And the prime numbers, first prime numbers is 2, so 2 will come. Next one is 3, next one is 5, and next one is the 7. So these four prime numbers are present between the 1 and 10. Now next one. Q is the set of the rational number which can be written in the set builder form as Q set है rational number का, तो this can be represented using the set Q. Set Q is P upon Q. P upon Q. Okay, because yes, rational number present in the P upon Q, where P is in numerator and Q is denominator, and Q is greater than P and Q not equals to 0. Q 0 नहीं होता है और Q क्या होता है, ग्रेटर होता है P से. Remember this, then only we get the rational number here. Okay, now see P and Q, there is epsilon sign. So P and Q belongs to integer I. I means what? Integer. And you know that integers are positive, negative and 0 here, but Q not equals to 0. Q is cancelled. Okay, Q not equals to 0 means the denominator cannot be 0. Then only it will come under the rational number, and it is read at Q. Set Q is set of all numbers. Q set Q is the set of all number such that P and Q are integer where Q is a non-zero number. P and Q are integer but Q is non-zero number means Q is other than 0. Q क्या होगा, 0 के अलावा कुछ दूसरा हो सकता है but 0 नहीं हो सकता. Illustrations. In the following example, set each set written in the both method. Now see the examples given and it is written in the rule method as well as in the listing method. दोनों मेथड में मेंशन किया. Now set A. The set A is set of all x such that x is the letter of the word division. Okay, so x is the set of all letters of the word division. Now in division word, D came only once, I came 3 times, V came 1 times, and S came 1 time, O came 1 time, and N came 1 time. Now here we have to write down in the listing method or roster method. So now while writing into the listing method or roster method, we know that the number should not be repeated, or letter, here letters are used. So letters cannot be repeated. We have to write one letter only once. So now we will write the first letter D. After that I have came. So here I is written and it is separated by comma. Next one is the V. Next letter is S and O and N. Now see, I is came thrice in the word division, but it is written only once. Okay, so remember this is in set form or rule form, and second one is in the listing form. Now next example, y set. Now read the set. How you will read? Set B is, now yes, here what you will read? Set B is written, so that's why you will read set B, and equal will be read as is. So set B is, now curly bracket, set of all y, because y a variable is used here, and this vertical line will be read as such that y is the number such that y square is equals to 9. So y is variable. So now here variable of y, square of the y is equals to 9. Now we know that the square of the 3 is 9 and square of the minus 3 is 9. So while writing in the roster form, b is equals to minus 3 and 3, because the square of minus 3 and 3 will be 9. Now see third one. Set C is set of all z such that z is multiple and is less than 30. Now what is meant by the multiple? Okay, suppose multiple of 3. So those number which are divisible by 3 called the multiple of 3. ऐसे नंबर जिस जो 3 से क्या होते हैं डिवाइड होते, दैट नंबर only called the multiple of 3. Suppose multiple of 4, so those number which are divisible by the 4, they are called the multiple of the 4. And multiple of 5, the number which is only divisible by 5 will be called as the multiple of the 5. इसको multiple 5 का बोलेंगे. So C is set of all z such that z is multiple of 5 and less than 30. Okay, because any number have many multiples, so here its limit is set, means the less than 30. So in listing method, C is equals to 5 comma 10 comma 15 comma 20 comma 25. Okay, 30 will not come because it is mentioned here less than 30. Now example, fill in the blanks given in the following table. अब यहाँ पे क्या दिया है, following tables में listing method or here rule methods is written. So now here you have to solve the problem. Listing or roster method. Now see the first list, set A is set of 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 10 12 14. So 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 is nothing but the even number. So this is list of the even natural number. Now rule method. So here what you will write, set A, so this will remain same, equal sign remain same, curly bracket will remain same. Now at place of the all element of set A, you have to use one variable. So here variable is used as x. 2 4 6 8 10 12 14, इसकी प्लेस पे क्या यूज करना है हम लोगों को, वन वेरिएबल. नाउ वी हैव टू राइट डाउन द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ दीज एलिमेंट्स. ओके, जो ये एलिमेंट है उसकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, उसकी प्रॉपर्टी को क्या करना है, मेंशन करना है. तो x इज एन इवन नेचुरल नंबर लेस देन 15. तो x क्या है, इवन नेचुरल नंबर है जो लेस देन कितना है, 15 है. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, here rule method is written. Now you have to write in the listing method. So what is in rule method mentioned, x is a perfect square number between 1 to 20. Now what is meant by the perfect square number? The number which are obtained after the squaring of the natural numbers are called the perfect square number. Now the square of natural number 1, it gives 1, it means 1 is the perfect square number. Now next natural number is 2,